Hello, welcome once again, and this time round I want us to practice how to do more of the organic functional group transformations. So in the first step here we are doing alkylation of the benzene, which involves Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So we need an alkyl halide together with a Lewis acid such as aluminum trichloride. For the bromination process, the incoming group, the bromine here, is going to be directed by the substituent. So in this case, the isopropyl group is electron donating, so it directs the incoming bromine into the para position to form the major product. Next, we can oxidize this using chromic acid to transform the benzylic position. So remember, this reaction requires the presence of a proton in the benzylic position in order to form the carboxylic acid. This can be followed by esterification. The best process is to use Fischer esterification. So for example, if we use ethanol together with sulfuric acid, and this reaction usually requires heat, now once we form the product, we can do a controlled reduction if we use a bulky reducing reagent. For example, in this case specifically, we are going to use diisobutyl aluminum hydride. So followed by water, we'll be able to form an aldehyde. We know that aldehydes and ketones, when they react with primary amines, we can be able to transform that compound into an imine. So we just need to identify which kind of primary amine is going to help us to do the reaction. So NH2 with a methyl group. This reaction usually requires an acid, and of course we are doing minus water in the process to generate the product. Thank you for watching and have a good one.